Hello students, welcome to SP classes of class 10. We'll continue our introduction to trigonometry chapter, that is our 8th chapter. From that exercise 8.1, in that let's see our 10th question. In before questions I have solved up to first to 9 questions. In this video let's see our 10th question. What is our 10th question they have given? In triangle PQR, right angled at Q. In one triangle they have given, that is right angle triangle at Q. So PQR, triangle PQR they have given. Okay. PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter they have given. Okay. PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. So determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. What they are asking? PQ is equal to 5 centimeter they have given, and these two things is equal to 25 centimeter. So here this PQ is equal to 5 centimeter we can write. We don't know this. This is R. Okay. This QR we don't know and this PR we don't know. So let us assume that, let us take PR is equal to some X. This thing is equal to some X. So this thing is X means this QR will be this thing, this PR is X means this thing, what this QR will be, what will get? QR is equal to 25 minus X. Okay. This much you all understood? Okay. For P, for angle P, what we will get? B is equal to, still we don't know. This is our B value. B is equal to 5 centimeter. This thing already. P we don't know and hypotenuse we don't know. So let's find out our PZ according to our by PGT, by Pythagoras theorem, by PGT x square. This thing is equal to, here 25 minus x is there. So x square hypotenuse we are finding means we will get obviously another one also. So hypotenuse is equal to what we are getting? 5 square, that is B square, plus 25 minus x whole square. B square minus, plus P square. Okay. So in this thing is in the form of A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square formula. A minus B whole square formula, what we are having? A square plus B square minus 2AB. So let's solve this one in this way. So x square is equal to 5 square will be 25 plus this thing A square means 25 square will be 625 plus B square means x square only minus 2AB means 2 into 25, that is 50 x. Okay. In this, let's cancel this x square and x square. So here what it will be? 50x is equal to, this both means it will be 650. 625 plus 25, it is 650. So x is equal to 65 divided by 5. Directly also we can do 5 ones or 5 threes are. This is 13. One thing we got 13. So obviously in between one more thing what we will get? We got this hypotenuse as 13. So next we will find out our P. How we will find out our P? So 13 square minus means hypotenuse square minus B square, that is 5 square. So here 13 169 minus 5 square means 25. So here square root of 144, it will be 12 we get. Okay, now we got our P as 12 and hypotenuse as 13. Okay, we got these two things. This is our hypotenuse, that is h is equal to and 25 minus 5x. This thing, this is our P, we got as 12. So by this we can easily find out sin P is equal to, so what is our sin formula? P by h. P is 12 and h is 13. Cos P is equal to, what is our cos formula? Base by hypotenuse. Base is 5 and hypotenuse is 13. Next thing, tan P. Tan formula what we are having, we can write sin P by cos P also. Sin theta by cos theta, tan theta is equal to, this thing is there. But still one more, tan P is equal to P by B is also there. So P is here 12 and B is 5. I hope you all understood this question. So let's see our next question, that is question number 11. In this question number 11, what they have given? So state whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. The value of 10. So they have given few 5 questions, 5 sub bits. In that they have given one statement type. So these things, this question is true or false. What they have given, that statement is true or false, we have to find out in this question. In this first one, what they have given, the value of tan A is always less than 1. Value of tan A is always less than 1. This tan A value always it must be less than 1, it seems. So tan formula is tan theta means P by B is there. Okay. This tan A angle means this is our P and this is our B. So this is our H. So by this what we can tell, tan theta tan A is equal to P by B, it is less than 1, means what it will be, this base will go this side, so perpendicular is less than B. In some questions, in like this type triangles also we will be getting, in this place perpendicular will be more and base will be less. So according to this statement, this is false. What it will be? This is false. Let's see our second one. What they have given, secant A is equal to 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. They have given secant A is equal to 12 by 5. Okay. For some A, for some value of angle A. So at some value of angle A, so secant formula is H by B. So here H is equal to 12 and B is equal to 5. P is equal to what will get? Okay, before seeing this thing, just it is hypotenuse and it is base. So obviously hypotenuse is greater than base. In almost all the questions, it's always hypotenuse is more than base. So it is true. Okay. Let's see our third one. What is our third one question? Cos A is the observation used for cosecant of angle A. This is the statement is only wrong. See, cos A observation is used for cosecant of angle A. By seeing this only we can understand. Cos A observation, what we are getting? Cosine A we will get as cos A. Here they have given cosecant of A angle. Cosecant angle is equal to cosec A we will get. So by this seeing this thing cosine A we will get this one. So it's false. I hope you all are understanding this one. So let's see our next one, that is fourth one. In this fourth question, what they are asking here, cot A is the product of cot and A. Here this cot A is product of cot and A, like this type, and this into. So what they are asking, cot A is product of, cot A is a just, it's the form, it's not a representation. They have given cot A is the form of cot and A, it's the representation. We can't tell this one. This is obviously wrong, false thing this one. It's representation, like that. For example, Px is equal to 2x plus 1 we are telling. So P of x, this will be P of x, not Px. This P of x is a representation. In the same way, this cot A is the representation. It won't be product of two things. Okay, so it's false again. Next one, fifth one, sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. So sin theta is equal to 4 by 3. Sin theta formula is P by H. H means hypotenuse. Hypotenuse will be always greater than perpendicular and base. So obviously this thing is false. Hypotenuse is always perpendicular is less than, hypotenuse is greater than, P like this, perpendicular is less than. So we can't tell this one. This hypotenuse must be greater than perpendicular and base. So by seeing this thing also false. I hope you all understood these things. By this we completed our exercise 8.1. In next video we will see our exercise 8.2. Thank you students.